Welcome to Repricer's introductory video series. In a nutshell, Repricer helps Amazon and eBay sellers automatically adjust their prices to stay competitive. It's all about winning the buy box to boost your sales and profits. Imagine you're selling headphones. Set a price range, say 48 to 52, and Repricer does the rest. If someone tries to undercut your price, Repricer instantly responds by adjusting your price within your set range to help you keep the buy box. Don't worry, it won't go below your minimum price. If your seller ratings are better than your competitors for this product, Repricer will use that information and attempt to win the buy box at a higher price. Lastly, if one of your competitors runs out of stock, Repricer will react and optimize your price against remaining sellers. Repricer lets you dictate how you wish to compete. You can use simple price-only rules or go deeper to exclude certain sellers, fulfillment methods, and so on. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into how Repricer can help you win the buy box and boost your sales. We'll walk you through the setup procedure and show you how you can be pricing your way to more sales in 5 minutes or less.